Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on Algorand. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price line of Algorand was moving inside a quite long down channel on the daily time frame chart. And this was my last video, by the way, when I was showing you that it is about to break this channel. It was reached resistance. And now if you take a look at the live daily time frame, then you can see that recently, almost 2 or 3 days ago, we have finally broken out the resistance of the channel. And at the same time, we have also broken out this long-term resistance. After the breakout from this channel, imminently we have broken out this long-term resistance of 20 cents as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 20 cents has been previously breaking at a very strong resistance here for a few weeks. And now it was breaking at the resistance once again. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days, the price was getting rejected by this resistance here and here. And now it can break at a strong support for the price line of Algorand. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Algorand that I shared in the previous month on 22nd of March 2025 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Algorand that I shared on 22nd of March 2025 with my members. And that was a bullish Gartley pattern that Algorand formed on a 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 12% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Algorand. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And previously, we have been following this very long down channel. And since after 8th of January 2025, the price was moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here and another bounce here, so many rejections. Then we had another bounce. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here. Then we got almost two more rejections here. Then we had another bounce here, another bounce here. And finally, the price then broke out the resistance of this channel. And now we have also broken out this long-term resistance of 20 cents as well. And now there is a probability that the price may soon hit the next long-term resistance of 25 cents as well. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel. That is at 45 cents. And over there, we have another very long-term resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this 45 cents had been previously breaking as a resistance here and almost as a support here for 1 or 2 weeks and almost here as a resistance. By the way, here it was breaking as a very strong resistance when it was moving inside this wedge as well. And now if you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days, it is breaking at a resistance. And this time it can again break at a strong resistance for the price. And in case of breaking out this 45 cents resistance, an imminent move is possible up to the next long-term, very strong and long-term key resistance that starts from 70 cents and goes to 80 cents. That has been previously breaking as a resistance on here, support on here, and support on here, and resistance on here and resistance on here as well. Therefore, again, it can break as a very strong resistance on for the price line of Algorand from 70 cents to 80 cents. Now, here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.